Hello student, I am going to solve exercise 7.3 and some special question. It is based on unitary method. Let us discuss. Question is, the cost of 8 books is rupees 72. Find the cost of 20 such books. Here you are given the cost of 8 books, that is 72. You are required to find the cost of 20 such books. So you have to find cost. So cost must be written on RHS. This is the RHS. This is the RHS. So we can write, since the cost of 8 books is rupees 72. Next we have to find the cost of one book, and for that we have to divide. Therefore the cost of one book is equal to, we have to divide this 72 by 8. Then we get 8 9s are 72. So rupees 9 is the cost of one book. Therefore the cost of 20 books, this will be now again the number of books is increased, so it will be, the cost will be increased, and for that we have to multiply. So we have to multiply this 9 with this 20 to get the cost of 20 books. So it is 9 into 20, it is 180, right? Let us do next question. The weight of 16 bags of rice is 240 kg. How many bags will weigh 90 kg? Here we have to find number of bags. So we must write number of bags on the RHS. So the first line will be, since number of bags for 240 kg is equal to 16. It is given in the question, and we write that line in this way. Now we find the number of bags for 1 kg. We, in every solution of such question, we always find for 1 unit the value. So for 1 kg, number of bags will be 16 upon 240. They are cancelable. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, and this is 0. So now we have to find number of bags for 90 kg. Therefore number of bags for 90 kg will be, now this kg is increased, so the value will be multiplied. So we multiply this value with this 90. Now this 30 will be cancelled by 2, and we have 15 here. Again 15 will cancel this 90. 15 6 are 90. So number of bags for 90 kg is this 6. This exercise is so easy, and in this exercise the key point is we have to find the value of 1 unit. So let us discuss here. A laborer earns rupees 156 in 3 hours. How much will he earn in 7 hours? So we have to find the earning, and for that we must write earning on RHS from this statement. And the statement is, a laborer earns rupees 156 in 3 hours. So we can write the same statement in this way, since earning of laborer in 3 hours is equal to rupees 156. Now we should find earning of laborer in 1 hour, and for that we have to divide. Therefore, earning of laborer in 1 hour is equal to, we have to divide. So it is rupees 156 upon 3. Now it is cancelable. 3 5 are 15, 3 2 are 6. We need to find earning of laborer in 7 hours. Therefore, earning of laborer in 7 hours, it will be rupees 52 multiply 7. This is equal to, if you multiply 7 to the 14, carry 1, 7 5 the 35, plus 1 36. This is the earning of laborer in 7 hours. So, the soul of the solution is, we always find the value of one quantity, and for that we have to divide, and again when the value is increased we have to multiply. Now question number 7. 1464 apples can be packed in 12 cartons of the same size. How many such cartons will be needed to pack 2318 apples? Again we have to find number of cartons. Here it is given. So we have to rewrite this line in the way that number of cartons should be put at RHS. So we must write, since number of cartons needed to pack 1464 apples is equal to 12. Therefore, number of cartons needed to pack one apple, we must divide. So divide this 12 by this number, so this one. We have to find number of cartons for packing this apples. So here number of apples are increased. You can see number of apples is decreased. Then we divide, and you see when number of apples is increased, we multiply this number with this one. Now we have to cancel. We can divide this 1464 by 12. So 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. 2 6. 12 twos are 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. So again 24. So 12 twos are 24. Now divide this 122 with 2. Then 2 6 are 12. Then 2. So 2 1s are 2. Now divide this 2318 by 2. Then 2 1s are 2. 3. 2 1s are 2. Then 1 1. 2 5s are 15. 1 8. 2 9s are 18. Now we have to divide. Let us divide 1159 by 61. Now in 9 times, 9 ones are 9. So the answer is 19. On dividing 1159 by 61, we get 19. So this is the answer. Now question number 8. If 24.8 meter of a uniform iron rod weighs 82.15 kg, what will be the length of 26.5 kg of the same rod. Here we have to find the length. So we must write length on RHS. We must construct this first line in the way that length to be put on RHS. So we should write since length of 82.15 kg rod is equal to 24.8 meter. Now we have to find the value of quantity 1. So we reduce it 1. Therefore, length of 1 kg rod is equal to, we have to divide. So 24.8 upon 82.15 and meter comes like that. Now we have to remove this decimal place, and we can remove only when they have same number of decimal places. Below we have two decimal places, so put one more zero so that both numerator and denominator should have same number of places. So it will be 22480. Now we can cancel this decimal, we can remove this decimal is cancelled. So we have 2480, 2480 and 8215. Now we'll cancel by 5, then 24 cancel by 5, so 5 for the 20, 4 8, 5 9 ja 45, 3 0, 5 6 ja 30. Now we cancel this also by 5, so 5 1 ja 5, 3 2 5 6 ja 30, 2 1 5 4 ja 20, 1 5 5 3 ja 15. So here 16 and here 53. We need to find the length of this kg of the same rod. So we have to now therefore length of 26.5 kg of rod. So this is the length of 1 kg rod. We have to multiply this value by 26.5. And again we have to remove this decimal. For that we have to put 10. We remove decimal, so it becomes 265 upon 10. Now cancel this 265 by 53. Then 53 5 ja 265. Now cancel 10 by 5. Then we have 2 here. Now cancel this 16 by 2. We have 8 here. So length of 26.5 kg of rod is 8 meter. So we can see that we should remove the decimal, and for that we make same number of decimal places and cancel decimal. Again here we are given 26.5 in the question, and we make it in simple fraction. For that we remove decimal, and since it has one decimal places, so we divide 265 by 10. Only 1 0 on 1. Now question number 10. Ganesh walks 8 km in 2 hours. Find the distance he can cover in 45 minutes. Here we see that here time is in hours, here time is in minutes. So we must put them in same unit, and it is easier to convert hours into minutes. So 2 hours is equal to 2 into 1 hour has 60 minutes, so 2 into 60 minutes, it is 120 minutes. So we can rewrite this sentence as since distance covered in 120 minutes. In the question it was given 2 hours and it is 120 minutes. Since distance covered in 120 minutes is equal to 8 km, as in the question it is asked the distance, so we must put distance, we have to find the distance, so we must put distance on RHS. So we put here 8 kilometer. Now we convert this 120 minute in 1 minute. Therefore, distance covered in 1 minute we must divide. So 8 divided by 120, and unit will be same as before. Here kilometer, then again kilometer. Now cancel 120 by 8. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 15 ja 120. Therefore, distance covered in 45 minutes, it is asked in the question. So we have to multiply. 1 minute becomes 45 minutes. So you can see the question you have to find the distance covered in 45 minutes. So we multiply the this distance by 45, then 45, 15 3 is 45. So after cancellation we have distance covered in 45, it is 3 kilometer. Now the last and but not the least, this question is traveling 900 kilometer by train costs rupee 225. How much will it cost if a person wishes to travel 360 kilometer by the train? So we are to find the cost. So we must put cost on RHS. So we can write, since the cost to travel 900 km is equal to rupees 225, therefore the cost to travel 1 kilometer is equal to 225 by 900. 225, therefore the cost to travel 1 kilometer is equal to 225 by 900. So after cancellation by 15, this is 15, 15 are 225, and 900 by 15, we have 15, 6 are 90, and 0 comes. Now we divide 60 by 15, so it is 4. So the cost to travel 1 kilometer is rupees 1 by 4. We have to find the cost to travel 360 kilometer. So therefore the cost to travel 360 kilometer is, we have to multiply this cost by 360 kilometer. Now after cancellation, this 360 by 4, we have 90. So the cost to travel 360 kilometer is rupees 90. In question number 8, let me recall how can it be found. Here, after removing the decimal, we have the number 2480 and 8215. After cancellation by 5, we have 496 here, and here we have 1643. After that, we have to cancel 496 and 1643 by 31. We have to check. This 100, this 4000, this 496 and 1643, which number can cancel both of them. So we think that one by one we check by prime numbers. So after, with 2, this is cancelable, this is not cancelable. With 3, we check after adding 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 4 19. So this 496 is not divisible by 3. Then 5 also cannot divide it. 7 can also not divide it. 7 has rule, you have to divide and check. And next one is 11. For 11 we have to check 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So this is not also divisible by 11. In this way we proceed and check which prime number can divide this 496 and 1643. So we stop at 31, since 31 can divide both 496 and 1643. So we have 16 after cancellation, and here after cancellation by 31 we get the quotient 53. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you.